Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to make rice with peas. So my peas are frozen, and because they're frozen, I had blanched them. So it's not a must you though them, because when you put them in the pan, they're easy to defrost. So we just need to defrost them. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna boil them rice first, and then we'll get back with the peas combo. So let's get into the video. So this is my rice. I've put it to boil. Then I'll be working on the veggies on the side. Now we're gonna start to fry our rice. So this is one onion chopped. Put some oil, like 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna add our garlic plus our carrots together. And we are gonna let them fry. So at this point, we are gonna add our frozen peas. If you have fresh peas, also good. So at this stage, we're gonna add our spices. I'm gonna put some ginger because I don't have crushed ginger. I don't have ginger itself. Then we're gonna add some paprika. Then mixed herbs and masala. Yep, I'm gonna go crazy with that. And then I'm gonna use royco cubes. So we're gonna add some liquid so that it can cook for a bit before we add our rice. Add in our rice. I didn't cook a lot of rice, so which is good. This is how it looks like.